In this video, I'll show you how to get data from Trulia.com, which is one of the real estate websites that I showed you. This is related to your assignment 2. Um, so the website is right here. In my homework description, I'll also give you an option of using Zillow.com. Now, it looks like this particular tool does not work properly with Zillow.com. Maybe it's something related to the structure of the website. But it does work quite well when it comes to Trulia.com. But again, this is not the only tool that is out there. I mean, there are probably dozens of different tools that you can use for this particular assignment. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm going to Trulia.com. That's the website that you'll be using, and here I'm selecting Murray, Kentucky. So I search for real estate listings, and that's what I get. I get 466 listings. By the way, those results, they're fairly parallel to what you will see in Zillow. I mean, I think there's like a 95, more if not 99% overlap. So when I go to filters, I will select only, let's say, houses. So it's a condo, townhome, apartment, just to eliminate noise in the data set. Where is it at? So, yeah, single family home right here. Yeah. So I'll apply this filter. So it narrows it down to how many results? Yeah, 203, which seems to be a reasonable data set. Okay. Now, one thing that you can do, you need to make sure that it's listed not in a map format, but in a list format. It makes it easier. So if you try page 2, you'll see the URL has changed, right? So now it's indicating that it's page 2. If you do page 1, so it's going back to this page 1, right? Just to make it easier. So I'm copying this URL. I wonder if you can enter several lines at a time. Well, let's try first line. I think there's a way to enter several lines at a time, so it will grab several pages, but I'm trying just one page at a time. So here we have data. So we have a total of 30 listings. Starts with this address. Yeah, so this is the first one. 805 Bagwell. The last one is 1500 Dudley, right? So yeah, this one right here. And before that it's Kirkwood. Yeah, so it seems to be the first page, right? So you can download it as a CVS file. So a CSV file, comma separated values. So that's, you need to register with this website, download this one page. If you want to go to the second page, then the URL has to change, and let's see if it's going to grab the second page. So it's page 2. So you're going here. So yeah, it's a different page right now. So if you try to grab this page, you have to go back. So this is a new page. Here it starts with 313 13th Street. Yeah, so this is the street, and then it ends with Neely Trail and then Rollet Trail. So let's check whether those data points are there. Yeah, seems to be right. So you can download this CSV file, and then you can append one file to another. I'm sure there are easier ways to do it. One thing I was thinking, I couldn't find an option to do it. It would be nice to list it not 30 at a time, but 50 or 100 at a time. Maybe there is an option for that. Maybe you can do the same thing with Zillow. You can list 100 listings. Again, look guys, this is not the only web scraping tool out there. There are dozens of other tools. This is just something that appears on the top of the search list. I mean, I'll leave it up to you to figure out. If this doesn't work, I'll leave it up to you to figure out what kind of tool to use. I mean, I'm sure you can do this in Python. I mean, I'm sure there are those visual clicks. You do need to invest some time. I mean, you need to invest some time to learn how to use it, maybe troubleshoot certain problems. So It is doable. I mean, I know 100%. I've done it many times using different tools. If one tool doesn't work, you can use another one, or you can, do some search to see whether something can be figured out. So I'll leave it. I mean, that's the whole point of homework. You need to figure it out, okay? So, but this seems to be working. I mean, I haven't tried registering yet, but when it comes to grabbing one page at a time, seems to be working. Let me do one more page. I'll just go to page 3. I'm sorry, not this format. Yeah, so this is third page, starts with Goodman, ends with Wildcat Drive. Yeah, so Goodman, Wildcat. Yeah, so it seems to be grabbing page number 3. Okay, so this is it. This is a short tutorial on how to do web scraping uses this import tool from Trulia.com. Again, doesn't seem to work for Zillow, only for this website.